So if you don't want to see someone's posts or stories on Instagram, but you don't want to unfollow them, then you need to mute them, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and load up Instagram, and once it's loaded up it will take you to the home page. You then need to go ahead and find the person you want to mute. Once you found the person you want to mute, you want to click on the three dots just to the side of their post, and it's going to bring up a menu, and you want to go ahead and click on mute. When you clicked on mute, it's going to bring up another box, and you want to select whether you want to mute just their post, or if you want to mute their post and story. So once you've selected either one of them, your home page is going to refresh and they will be successfully muted. But what happens if you want to go ahead and find someone that you've muted and you want to adjust the settings? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you want to click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and this will take you to your profile. Once you've gone to your profile, you want to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner, and it's going to bring up a menu. You want to go ahead and select the settings option at the very top. Once you've been taken to the settings menu, you want to click on privacy just in the middle of the menu, and then you want to click on muted accounts just near the bottom of the menu. This is going to show you a full list of people that have been muted. Now in this case I've only got one person just for the purposes of this video. So you want to select the person you want to unmute or change the settings for, and it will take you to their profile. You then want to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and again it's going to bring up another menu where you want to go ahead and click on mute. Now it's going to show you two options. You can either mute or unmute their posts or stories. So you want to go ahead and amend them, and for the purposes of this video I'm just going to unmute them on both options. And that is all you need to do to mute a person on Instagram. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.